Animal lovers, this quiz is for you. From cute to crazy rare. Let's see how well you know the wild world. Let's go! Easy level. Dog. Cat. Bird. Too easy? Then prove it. Hit like and subscribe before we go wild. Medium level. Panda. Sloth. Giraffe. If you got these right, you're wild smart. Tap that follow button and drop an emoji in the comments. Hard level. Zebra. Rhinoceros. Penguin. Still crushing it? Then like and subscribe or the rhino's charging your notifications. Extreme level. Marsupials. Bet you don't get that. Subscribe now and comment how many you got right. Tag a friend, follow for more.